Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. I have a cow. Half pig, half cow. Anyway, you've probably clicked on the video because you want to increase your credit score. Well, congratulations guys. You've come to the right video. I've recently had one of my credit scores increase to the 700 mark. It's taken me over a year and a half, and I'll explain some simple tips that have worked for me along the way. Four actually, and they're very simple and easy to follow. Number one, check what your credit score actually is. Millions of Americans tell you that their credit score stinks, but they can't even tell you what their credit score is. Simple fact of the matter is, in modern technology, you can sign up for any platform whatsoever to find out what your credit score is. You might only get your TransUnion and Equifax for free, but if you use a platform like I do, Discover It, like I've talked about in my previous videos, when I signed up for the secure credit card, I got the free FICO once a month check, and that is very accurate. Number two, figure out how much you actually owe. Once you have access to a little bit of information for your credit score, you can then figure out how much you actually owe on past due accounts. Some people don't even know the names of their creditors, let alone the names of the collection agencies, which also leads me to number three. So let's say that you have a couple of medical bills past due. Did you know that you can contact those creditors and see if you can negotiate a lower amount? By negotiating a lower amount, not only does it save you money, but you also paid off your past due amounts, therefore increasing your credit score dramatically. Remember, 90% of increasing your credit score is making on-time monthly payments. Number four, you've probably heard of this before. I've even done this with my dad in the past. You can contact someone that you know and see if they will allow you to become an authorized user on their credit card. Yes, you heard me right. You can sign up for someone who has an 800 credit score. I could then ask them if they could add me on as an authorized user. Now, here's the kicker. When you agree to add someone on to your account and they have poor credit, do keep in mind whatever they do will also impact you, kind of like a co-signer on an auto loan. Do keep in mind though, if you're going out there and establishing credit or trying to build credit, do not apply for just any Joe Schmo card. There's Capital One, there's Discover It, they all have their perks. Some people can't afford a lot of money for a down deposit, I understand that. But please, just do your research before you apply for cards, because also applying for credit cards, whether you get approved or not, also dings your credit score as a hard inquiry. That's basically it, guys. Those four simple steps should be able to increase your credit score dramatically within a short period of time. Hopefully you found value in this video. If you did, please smash that awesome like button for the YouTube algorithms so I can help as many people as possible out there trying to build their credit. And then also, if you want to be a part of my YouTube family, consider subscribing and also comment down below if you liked the video. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter at PocketGangster, the number 1. And I also have a TikTok, Pocket Gangster. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys as always. You guys are awesome. You rock. Let's go out there and let's get some financial independence for everybody.